In a lush forest, an environmentalist named Sam decided to build an eco-village. "We'll live sustainably," he declared. The villagers embraced solar panels, compost toilets, and community gardens. One day, Sam announced, "Let's make a giant compost pile." Everyone cheered. As they piled up scraps, a curious bear wandered in, sniffing the air. "Oh no, it's the compost inspector," joked a villager. The bear, uninterested in inspections, sat on the pile, causing it to collapse. "Well, that's one way to turn it," laughed Sam. The village learned that nature had its own sense of humor. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.